the first tip I talked about replacement. The second tip will go along a variation. So when I created this full song off of this section, it wasn't like the best, but it got me closer. So to get that, I believe I got this one as well. I went with this one. Still had an artifact that I didn't like, but I kept it because it changed the tempo correctly, but the tune was not there. So I went ahead and used this one as well. Same thing with the replacement tool, repeat it. Got this full song. I liked where it was, so I went ahead and hit remastered. And what this did was gave it a different sound.
I see it burning in your eyes.
It sounds good as it is.
I see it burning in your eyes. You crave so much more.
But I liked how the mic sounded on this one. So both of them are good. It's just a preference. I went ahead and cropped where in the first YouTube video of tip number 1, where I went from verse 1 to 2. So now with the remastered, it kind of dragged it enough where there was a good pause from verse 1 and 2 at the ending where I could stop it at 229. And then this right here, you could do 2 ways to fix your song. You could use persona with either one. If you didn't like the remasters or anything, this right here, you could go persona route to get your end sound, which you have a good chance of it succeeding. Or you could extend. And to create a persona, you could just hit create, make persona. And it pretty much is a cover song, except that it goes further out. So cover stops at around 3:14, persona doesn't. It could stop at 4 minutes. Once you get there, then you could go ahead and, I believe it stops at 4 minutes. It stops at a good amount compared to cover at least. If that doesn't work, which I was having trouble with persona today, I guess it was peak hour, so a lot of it was getting refunded. So I was doing it intertwined with extension at the 229 mark of this song. And when you go ahead and extend from it, your song, make sure you don't use any negatives when you click here and put any negatives right here, just for the fact that it already has it in the bass. Now when you're using replacement, it's a hit or miss to use it, just depending on if you're clearing out the artifacts, then you want to add extra negatives. But at this point, the song already has great quality, so you don't need to put negatives on it, because now it's going to look at the song and start doing something that it shouldn't have, because the bass is already good. So don't ruin your bass. You know, just keep it normal. You're going to get better results. Once you get that set and you change your verses of what needs to be extended to end correctly, and then you just check your final results of your sounds. Like my ending, I got this one.
Be wild, be free, don't hold back, babe.
Which was what I was looking for this verse. And I went with it. It actually was good all the way till near the end of the chorus right here. The end mark kind of have a lot of static, but I could fix it with Cubase, or you could use any type of device to fix the ending. You don't have to use AI to fix that. And that's how I got this song, Be Mine. So I'll be using it for the next music video I'm doing. Is more of a realism. It's a mixture of one of my lyrics I did with Choose Me. So I'm going to use that, and I changed out the lyrics a bit to make it more of a realism approach to the song. And that's it. That's the tip I have for today. Thank you.